Sakleshpur is a hill station in the Western Ghats mountain range, in India's Karnataka state. It's surrounded by slopes covered with tea, coffee and spice plantations. Our first place in Chikkamangalore is Devaraman Betta. Devaraman Betta emerges as one of the best places to visit in monsoon in India. This stunning hill, reaching an elevation of approximately 3,500 feet above sea level, offers a breathtaking escape into nature's embrace. It is an ideal spot for film shooting, and might also seem familiar if you have seen the movie Last Bus. Additionally, if you happen to visit in January, you can also be a part of an indigenous fair that attracts numerous visitors. In addition to trekking, Devaraman Betta in Chikmagalur presents a wide range of adventure activities to. Our second place in Chikmagalur is Mukanamane Falls, also known as Abbey Falls. A beautiful waterfall located amid the forest makes it almost a private waterfall due to less tourist local crowd. As the water falls from about 35 to 40 feet height, a little girl is waving at us while seeing this. It makes us more happy while riding. Our third place in Chikmagalur is Betta Bhairaveshwara Temple. At a distance of 35 kilometers from Sakleshpur, Betta Bhairaveshwara Temple is an ancient temple situated near Mekanagadde in Sakleshpur Taluk of Hassan district, Karnataka. Surrounded by serenity, it is one of the top places to visit in Sakleshpur. Dedicated to Lord Shiva, Betta Bhairaveshwara Temple is located atop Pandavar Gudda hill and is considered approximately 600 years old. The temple is nestled in the beautiful Western Ghats and offers a panoramic view of the landscape. Our fourth place in Chikmagalur is Patla Betta. Patla Betta is a nice viewpoint in Sakleshpur. Patla Betta hill will be on your left while you are going towards Bisile Ghat viewpoint from Sakleshpur. Patla Betta is a hilltop ideal for trekking. We visited in March, so nature was on a bit drier side. Post-monsoon the surrounding will be lot greener and might also have some leaf scare. Patla Betta hilltop is couple of kms from the main road. If you have the time and energy, you can park your car at the base of the hill and walk up a few kms. The roads are steep and demanding, so might be difficult for regular car. We saw a Santro reaching the top, so if you are confident, feel free to drive up. Alternatively, you can hire a local 4x4 Bolero pickup jeep to be driven till top of the hill. In fact, vehicles are only allowed to a certain point. Forest Department has dug deep trenches to prevent jeeps from going all the way till the top. So for the last 1 kilometer or so you will still have to hike even if you hire a jeep. Once on top you can see Sakleshpura's rich range of hills in all directions. Barring couple of homestay, you can't see much homes or buildings. It is largely forest and hills. Our fifth place in Chikmagalur is Bisal Ghat Viewpoint. The Bisal Ghat Viewpoint is a well-known viewpoint less than 5 kilometers from Bisal village in Karnataka. This viewpoint lies in the border of Hassan district and Dakshina Kannada district, approximately 50 kilometers from Sakleshpur, and is renowned for offering unmatched views of the lush green Western Ghats. It is also known for its peaceful and serene ambience. It overlooks the beautiful Doda Betta, Kumara Parvata and Pushpagiri peaks along with a few others. The views of the surroundings, with its cascading waterfalls, covered entirely in dense forests, only makes the landscape more beautiful and captivating. Our sixth place in Chikmagalur is Malali Falls. Malali Falls is one of the most stunning and scenic waterfalls in India, located in the lush green hills of Coorg, Karnataka. The waterfall cascades from a height of over 200 feet, forming a misty spray and a rainbow effect. The waterfall originates from the Kumaradhara river, which flows through the dense forests and valleys of the Western Ghats. Malali Falls is a hidden gem that offers a serene and tranquil escape from the hustle and bustle of the city life.